channel. My name is Heather McCarthy if you are new here. And today's video is going to be showing you my morning routine, our homeschool morning routine with this little 2-year-old chica here. She is doing the abeka 2 to 3-year-old program, and I'm just going to take you through a quick look at what our morning looks like with all of our homeschool in it. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like homeschooling stuff, if you want more of this on my channel. And make sure you comment down below and introduce yourself once you hit that subscribe button, because I definitely want to get to know you all. Today's video is in collaboration with my friend Angie. Angie is a mom to 2 little girls living in Georgia, and she is doing the abeka online curriculum, the streaming videos or the DVD videos. She's doing those with both her girls, one who is in K4 and one who is in 3rd grade. And I love her channel. She is one of the ones who made homeschooling reasonable and rational to me. So make sure you check out her link down below. I will have her channel and her video both linked down in the description box below. And I know you will love her. She also throws in cleaning content here and there. That used to be the main bulk of her channel, I think. She did cleaning content and groceries, like grocery hauls. Now she's going more towards homeschool, and I'm loving the change, honestly. So make sure you check her out down below. And let's go ahead and get into our morning routine.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank.
So first thing in the morning, we wake up around 8 a.m. usually. I wake up, go into the restroom, brush my teeth, go to the bathroom, and open these windows. As you can see, Brady is not ready to get out of bed yet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let Madison out of her room and go make her a cup of milk for her breakfast, I guess. She always has to have milk. It's like her baby coffee. So she gets milk, and then I'm gonna slice her a banana for her breakfast.
We're coming down. There's a party on the water. It's a hell of a time. We're on the boat. We're killing time. In our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up. We're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright. It's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. Yeah, we're chilling out here.
This morning, we were under a little bit of a time constraint because my daughter has speech therapy at noon, so we couldn't really lounge around like we normally do in the mornings or even take, a little bit of extra time. We really had to hit the ground running to make sure that schoolwork got done before we went to speech therapy. I do that personally because I've just found that if I try to do schoolwork after we do speech therapy and then lunch and then nap time, if I try to do school after nap time, it just doesn't work. So while Madison is eating her banana, I come in here and make the bed and just get everything else done that needs to be done for the day in our room.
In our own honky tonk, make the big blue sky, we live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling, alright, it's a hell of a time.
Then, once Madison is done with her banana, we all go ahead and get dressed. Obviously, I dressed Madison and then myself, and now I'm just doing my makeup really fast. This is in no way something that I do every day, but since we are going to speech therapy, like I said earlier, I did go ahead and put on makeup today so that I could do that and get some filming done and, look semi-human. So I did do a quick face of makeup before we start doing school.
We're on the boat, we're feeling fine. Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on the boat, we're killing time. In our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, but it's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. It's a hell of a time. Oh, hell of a time.
All right, now that we're all dressed and we have all relaxed for a little while, we're gonna go ahead and get started on Madison's schoolwork. So this year, Madison is using the abeka 2-year-old program. So it is the preschool for 2-year-olds. It's a 2- and 3-year-old curriculum combined. I will have my video about that linked up above. But today we are working on colors, or well, actually this week we are working on colors. And today's color is orange. So I'm going to go ahead and have Madison color this finger quote orange fish that is actually like a goldfish. And first I'm having her pick out the orange crayon out of the bucket and then color the orange fish.
That we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. We're underwater.
So Madison is not a huge fan of coloring, so this did not take very long. As you saw, she was over it really fast. So I'm having to find other materials to teach her the colors as well. So today we used Brown Bear in addition. And I had a Brown Bear game that you will see here in a minute where it has all of the animals. And of course they're colored just like in the book. And she had to match them up with colored circles. And she's much better at games like that. She really has little to no patience for coloring at all.
Guess it's true as my mother did say. You can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared face to face, was it all just a game you played?
I did find this game on Pinterest, and I will link the blog that it came from down below. And after we played it this time, I did go ahead and laminate it. And I also have my laminator linked down below. I just got the Scotch brand one, and I'm obsessed already. So I will link that down below if anyone who is new to homeschooling is looking for a laminator, or if you're just looking for it for yourself and you don't have kids and you just need a laminator. The Scotch brand one was decently priced and it works really well.
We can breathe again, breathe again. Don't leave me stranded this way. We have gone too far to give it all away.
This was probably my favorite part of this homeschool day, was reading Brown Bear with Madison, and she was actually making all of the animal sounds for the first time. We've been reading this book since she was a baby, and now all of a sudden she's saying "nee" and all these weird, crazy animal sounds. So speech therapy is working for her, so I'm glad we're going twice a week. But this was by far my favorite part of this little day of homeschool, which was really short. I think it took us like half hour max. But this was probably my favorite part, was reading this book with her.
But you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again.
Alright, so that is the end of our homeschool morning routine. As you saw, school here is really fast. We are using Abeka's 2 to 3 year program. I will have it linked up above in the cards. If it's not here, it was earlier. So it is a really fast. 2-year-olds don't have attention span of more than probably 5-10 minutes. So we just did it super fast. I will link down below that game that I added in that went with Brown Bear. I will link the blog I got it from down below. But that was our homeschool morning routine. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out my friend Angie's channel down in the description box down below. If you have older kids, you will love her routine. She has a, like I said earlier, a kid who's doing K4 and a daughter who is doing 3rd grade. So definitely check her out down below if your kids are a little bit older, or if you are interested in the video lessons. Sorry, I'm getting handed a map of the world. If you are doing video lessons, make sure you check her out because she is using the Abeka's streaming videos for her children. And I know I'm really interested to see how their morning flows, so make sure you check it out. If you are new from Angie's channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you all like homeschool videos, if you all see more like this. And comment down below, let me know, how does your morning routine flow? Does it flow like this, or is it more organized than mine? All right, I'll see you all in my next video on Sunday. Bye, y'all.